In this video, we'll go over how to apply for a license on Bells. From the licensing dashboard, click Apply for a License. Select the license type you would like to apply for. Any secondary licenses can be added here. Click Next if you're ready. On the licensee page, you will enter information about the applicant. All fields marked with a red star need to be completed. On the premises page, you will go over the physical location of the licensee. For out-of-state licensees, click Out-of-State under the County and Municipality fields. The Questions page has any questions applicable to your license type. If you miss a required field, the wizard step will not be a green checkmark when you advance to the next page. Return to the previous page by clicking the wizard step and complete what is missing. On the Documents page, add any required documents and select the document type. The Summary page will show you the amount due on your application. Check the declaration, then pay and submit to proceed to the payment page. The file number, or job number, is what you can use to reference your submission if you have any questions for the Bureau. You can review your application and find it later on the licensing dashboard. Click Licenses, and then scroll down to Applications to find your application.